Hello, my name is Jeremy Duchesne. I'm in architectural technology for 2 years at Montmorency College. Today I will show you how to use the virtual writing tutor website. This program will help you writing in English, so it's really important to avoid mistake when you write to someone. In the future, as an architect, I will have to send a lot of emails to contractor, so to understand each other, we'll have to avoid mistake, and we will use this site. So to have access to this website, you're gonna have to go on the top of your screen and create a new tab. In the address bar, you're gonna write virtualwritingtutor.com, enter, and you have access to this website. On the top of your screen, you have the virtual writing tutor logo, and in the middle of your screen, you have the text area. So you're gonna type or paste the text you want to correct. So if I just make an example about my field of studies, like an email to a contractor, I will say, hello, you make a mistake when you count the number of windows in the front of the building. So if I just erase some letter to make some mistake, I will do the check spelling button. So about my spelling, right click on the red like this, right click again, and oops, and like this. So now I don't have any spelling error. The next button I will show you is count words, so it's really useful when you have a big text. So it will say how many words you have, how many sentences, and how many words per sentence is. The third button I will show you is check grammar, the more useful in this website. So it will show you how many words you have again and the number of error you have. So it give you the feedback to help you correct it. So just a capital letter in this case, and redo it again, and error count 0. This icon, the speaker, will help you with your pronunciation if you have some difficulties. So just write the sentences or the word you have difficulties, and you can hear it again and again. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.